Central California's Pajaro Valley has provided food for millions of people across our nation. But who will provide health care for the thousands of people in our valley without it? The Community Health Trust of Pajaro Valley has stepped in to fill the holes in health care for many who need it.
We've decided that we would focus on 4 specific healthcare areas. The first is oral health, treatment and prevention. The second is diabetes and its contributing factors. The third is supporting young people that are interested in entering the health professions. And finally, educating people as to how to use the healthcare system. The Health Trust provides support to the community's health in a number of ways. We're best known for our grant making. We provide grant support to many nonprofit organizations in the community who serve the health of the community through their activities. The Health Trust is here to support and improve the health care of our community for generations to come.
We are prepared to serve anyone in our community who needs the services, particularly those who are underserved in our community, whether it's lack of health insurance or if they have a language barrier.
We want everyone to have access to and be active in physical exercise and good nutrition. We're also investing in our local schools to teach young people how to plant and grow their own fruits and vegetables so that they have a better understanding of what healthy food really is.
No child should go to school without the glasses they need to read and see the blackboard, and no student should suffer a toothache that interferes with their studies. The Health Trust of Pajaro Valley supports dental care for low-income and needy children and adults who would otherwise do without. Early intervention and education will change their lives and straighten the crooked path to a successful future. The Trust also supports a health academy at Watsonville High School for young people interested in a career in the health care field. Hands-on experience in this challenging field stimulates students to stay in school and pursue their dreams in the medical or dental field.
The Trust philosophy has been to define healthcare in the broadest sense, and that includes the preventative care. In emergency medicine, we see the most far advanced complications. The Trust's goal is to intervene in a preventive fashion early as possible so that we won't have these tragic outcomes.
You know, the problems we're addressing are not easy. They're problems that have been around a long time, diabetes, shortage of care for people who need oral health and other kinds of healthcare services. They're not going to be solved overnight. But the fact that the Trust exists to address these directly, it means that 20 years from now, we will see a difference in the health of our community. Our organization is known now and will continue to be known for being proactive in the community.
The terrifying prediction of rampant diabetes in our community can be avoided with immediate and effective intervention.
And so we opened the doors to the Diabetes Health Center and began providing services to the community that involve diabetes education and prevention.
Diabetes is a threat to everyone who lives in the Pajaro Valley area. It is most dangerous when undetected and can insidiously progress. With intervention, the thousands at-risk victims in our region can benefit from the testing, medical care, and lifestyle changes that can save their lives.
So we go out into the community and test people, downtown, farms. We give them the blood stick right then and give them the results and provide them with their plan of how they should proceed with those results.
I'm a type 2 diabetic for the last 15 years. Once I got involved and started coming, it just made a world of difference. The programs on what to eat, what medicines to use, it's just been wonderful.
We want to test the blood sugar levels of everyone in our community to make sure they're healthy, and if they're not, to help them become healthy.
The Pajaro Valley Health Trust and the Diabetes Health Center are here to create brighter, healthier futures for everyone. In the schools, the fields, and throughout the community, the message is repeated. Exercise, walk to school, eat a sensible diet, and get tested.
I would encourage everybody to come to the clinic, get tested, and see where they're at.
If you have an interest in making healthcare better in the Pajaro Valley, why not offer to serve on the Community Health Trust Board or one of our board committees? People with knowledge of the community, healthcare, or finance are always needed. And everyone can play a role by supporting our fundraising efforts, whether it's by writing a check to support the Diabetes Health Center, attending the Wine and Roses event, remembering the Trust with a bequest, or making a major gift. There are ways for every person with every budget to help support our goal to improve the quality of life and health for all who live in this beautiful valley.